Hey folks, this is for you do-it-yourselfer or weekend warrior. You gotta bleed your brakes out, you ain't got nobody to help you. A little check valve setup. It has an arrow on it, tells you which way to do it. You put this on your bleeder. I'll let you get a better view for it. And put it on your bleeder and start pumping away. It's a two-piece kit for under $13. Or just at $13. You and I both know that we all waste more than $13 every day of the week. It just seems like it doesn't get you far. But this is a cool little kit for 13 bucks. You do both your rears, you both your fronts, whatever you want to do. Hell, $13, buy 4 of them. You can do all 4 brakes at one time. It's simple. Just put this end in your bottle, whatever it may be. You start pumping it up. It allows the air and the brake fluid to go out of it. It takes pressure to open that check valve so no air can come back in. And for $13, it's no-brainer. I mean, I have all kinds of, brake bleeding tools over there. Brake flush systems, everything. But for $13, I thought I'd show you guys this. I am going to try it out when I do work on this car here. And I'll do another video on it. But, yeah, folks, check it out. It's just a little check valve system with some hoses. 2-piece kit. Later. Thank you for watching.